Stop boiling lentils. This method takes 15 minutes, no soaking, and never turns out mushy. So we are making Instant Pot lentils today. There's no soaking, no mushy texture, no guesswork to this. It's super easy. It's a foolproof method, and it's great for meal prepping. You're going to love it because you can add these to soups and salads, tacos, curries, you name it. What you want to do is make sure to rinse the lentils first. Now, this method I'm going to show you is for brown lentils. If you have red lentils, they're going to take half the time to cook, but you just need to know what you are using the lentils for. So I just think brown lentils are your standard go-to. If you were making crackers or something like that, I would say shoot for the red lentils. But we're just going to make sure that we rinse them well. And then I like to start my Instant Pot with boiling water. So I've just boiled some water on the side, and while that's boiling, I'm going to add those rinsed lentils to my Instant Pot. Now I'm going to add some flavor to this in a moment, but you could add water. It's perfectly fine. You could add an optional bay leaf. You could do some seasoning from the get-go. But if you're meal prepping these, I say leave them pretty bland because you can add the seasonings when you start cooking with the cooked lentils. Now I'm adding in my Intentionally Eat beefless bouillon powder. You can add your favorite, but I'm going to add the link to my bouillon powder in the description. And it's part of my Genesis 129 meal plan, returning to the foods God has created. If you're interested in that, the link's in the description, or scan that QR code. So we are going to pressure cook these lentils for 10 minutes on high. Again, if you are using red lentils, you're going to go 5 minutes. And then we're going to do a 10-minute natural release. And once you do that, I like to cover with a dish towel just because I don't like all of that wet steam hitting my kitchen cabinets. So that's it. Perfect lentils every time. Subscribe so you can catch the next recipe, and click the link below for my free Genesis 129 starter guide. It'll walk you through everything from pantry staples to your first full week of meals. You're going to love it. And you can use these lentils all week long. Salads, soups, burgers. Enjoy.